The Winnebago Touring Coach Travato provides the following new enhancements in the redesign and restyle of the 2022 debut of the Winnebago Touring Coach Travato. The safety-enhanced Ram ProMaster Chassis, maintaining the same fuel efficiency of prior years in the proven 3.6-liter Ram ProMaster engine, boasting 280 horses and 260 pounds-feet of torque and maintaining 18 to 22 miles per gallon highway. The safety-enhanced Ram ProMaster chassis now includes blind spot monitoring, Crosswind Assist, and the digital rearview mirror. Blind spot monitoring with rear cross path detection helps to avoid accidents and enhance safety and security by warning drivers when vehicles enter the van's blind spot zone. Crosswind Assist in the new ProMaster chassis detects strong gusts of wind, helping you to stay in control and on course. Enhance your safety and security with sight into the road behind you with the exclusive available digital rearview mirror, now standard on the Ram ProMaster chassis for the Winnebago Travato. Features an LCD monitor that can be turned off to revert to a reflective mirror, but when switched on, offers a real-time video stream. Inside the safety-enhanced Ram ProMaster chassis, an all-new digital multimedia receiver includes a 7-inch touchscreen for a refined, user-friendly interface and easy access to your media. It also includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Apple CarPlay is a smarter and safer way to use your iPhone in the van, allowing you to stay focused on the road. Access Apple Maps, Google Maps, listen to music, make calls, send and receive text messages, and more with just a word or a touch, integrated in with Hey Siri. Google Android Auto automatically provides useful information and organizes it into simple cards that appear just when they're needed, designed to minimize distractions so you can stay focused on the road. It includes the Google Assistant through Hey Google, which will allow you to send a text, map your route, check the weather, and much, much more. Integrated into Google Maps with navigation, you can find routes, receive real-time traffic alerts, and places along the way. You can also provide complete communication with phone calls, text messaging, and chat apps, all using Hey Google. It also allows for complete access to your entertainment package for music, news, and audiobooks right at your fingertips or through Hey Google or Hey Siri technology. Of course, built in is Bluetooth integration to easily pair a Bluetooth-enabled phone without complicated settings. It also includes the iDatalink Maestro, which allows for integration into certain Ram ProMaster components that we'll touch on here in a moment. It includes WebLink to enjoy personalized infotainment, to play music or video from your smartphone, and useful apps to sort out your favorites. It also then includes upgraded JBL speakers for premium sound and Sirius XM satellite radio, providing commercial-free music, live events, sports, and a variety of other programming, which does include the actual tuner and the cup antenna up on the roof of the van. It also includes a free trial. Within this digital multimedia receiver with 7-inch touchscreen, it also provides for the rear view camera monitoring system that allows a continuous rear view, which is helpful when towing or carrying bicycles so that you can keep an eye on your gear. This integrated rear view camera monitoring system also provides a much wider and clearer view than the original radio being provided by Ram ProMaster. It includes integrated tire pressure monitoring to show actual tire pressure versus a simple indicator light on the original Ram ProMaster radio. The selectable display shows additional engine data such as coolant temperature, which is not available on the original radio, and an OBD2 diagnostics provides the ability to review and reset engine codes, eliminating the need for a second OBD2 device. Finally, a secondary microphone improves voice control with additional functionality so that it will actually hone in specific to your device so you can actually make phone calls that don't appear that you're in a conference call. Within the interior of the new restyled and re-engineered Winnebago touring coach Travato, the flooring includes Honeycomb composite insulated flooring, which is durable and easy to maintain, which is an industrial strength material, but also serves as an additional thermal break. In all floor plans for the Travato, a new Lagun table provides dual mounting options. A Lagun table provides heavy anodized aluminum construction with a space-saving 360-degree swivel to create much more floor space. It allows you to adapt and adjust to your needs, such as using as an additional meal prep space, a workspace, or a gaming station, and also then provides an easy lock system which is secure for travel. The Lagun table provides dual locations in the 59G and GL just forward of the dinette and on the new pedestal near the front entry door, and on the 59K and the 59KL on the forward end of the passenger side bed, and then also on the new ABS pedestal near the door. Within the sleep system, this includes the all-new Winnebago Winn sleep system, which includes Deep Freeze Plus technology with serene foam that draws excess heat from your body to create a cool, comfortable sleeping environment. Plush Superior Foam provides exceptional pressure relief and support through supportive air technology. It is CertiPure US tested with certified foam made from non-toxic materials without ozone depleters, and also includes microbe shield technology specifically designed to deactivate microorganisms and deliver optimal freshness to your sleeping surface. The support includes the Zomi slat bed system, which is a European-style suspension offering flexible support with increased comfort, circulating air below the surface resulting in a cooler, drier mattress. The Travato also features new updated galley or kitchen, lavatory, sinks, and faucets. And for all of the Tecnoform Italian cabinets, improved ergonomic cabinet latches. For entertainment inside the van, the all-new JBL Bluetooth Soundbar provides premium sound for your favorite TV shows, movies, or music. It includes improved bass performance for enhanced cinema experience, featuring a slim design and simple user interface. Setup is easy using the HDMI ARC cable or Bluetooth for convenient wireless connection. Towards the rear of the van, you'll find an updated integrated rear screen, which is now made internally by Winnebago Industries, featuring snap-in roll-up screen door with dual zippers. The straps hold the rolled-up section in place when not being used. Also to the rear, new rear window coverings feature zippered openings with total blackout window coverings, no bright light peeking throughout. They're built with an extra layer of insulation that serves as an additional thermal break against rear van integration. Also easy to use and maintain, the zipper and allows for easy opening and closing. Towards the rear, you'll also see integrated safety straps to quickly hold that rear door open from the inside, which also integrates well with the all-new rear annex designed to extend living spaces. It includes the hanging rod and curtain, which is made like a tent-like material with Velcro straps and magnetic pulls that attach at various points. You can use this as an exterior shower space using the rod, curtain, and magnetic pulls that affords privacy when needed to relax, to shower outdoors, but also as a makeshift awning to extend your space in the rear of the van, providing a shaded area. It can integrate as a clothesline, in which the rod serves as a place to hang wetsuits, laundry, or other items. And finally, there are additional attachment points on the shelf just above the cab entry that allows the curtain to be used as a cab divider. And finally, on the inside of the new restyled and re-engineered Travato is an optional woven PVC complete coach cab mat, which is made by Winnebago Industries. Useful and decorative, it features a latex non-skid backing to reduce slippery surfaces and buildup of dirt and debris. It helps keep your floors clean and protects them from sustaining damage. It can be rolled up and very simply thrown out to alleviate all of that dirt and debris inside the van. In terms of additional enhancements to the utility system, it also includes the tried and true Nautilus freshwater manifold system that debuted on the Winnebago Solis and now is in the Winnebago Revel. This water control panel features all of your control valves, connection points, and exterior wash station located simply on one concise panel inside the van. The area is clearly marked and explains all of the functions and settings, simplifying the operation of the water system. It's very simply located on one easy to understand panel. In the event that you do have to winterize, it includes the Winterization Package with clearly marked control panels, convenient locations for low point drains, pressure relief valves, and the water pump. A new motion sensor light also aids in the winterization process. An automatic light will illuminate the water filter and low point drains. Inside the van, it also includes the all-new EcoHot hot water system that debuted in the Winnebago Solis, which flushes all of the cold water from your hot water lines and then reroutes that back into the freshwater tank to save on freshwater when you're RVing off the grid. And finally, inside the van, all of the monitoring panels have now been relocated just above the sliding door, which features your power control system panel, your one-place panel, Truma heating panel, temperature sensor, LP, and tank heater switches in one convenient, easy-to-access location. Specific to the 59KL, an option now allows for an upgrade to the larger 4-module Volta energy pack featuring 12,800 usable watt-hours of power. Of course, all Pure 3 models now also include the 160 amp alternator for faster charging. The 59KL then also includes the induction burner cooktop, featuring a single induction burner cooktop with quicker heat, precise control, and easy cleanup. It also alleviates any interior open flame, reducing the need to monitor the LP tank fuel level. Be sure to check out in our video library on Lichtsinn.com all of our induction burner cooking classes for even more in-depth detail on the benefits of induction cooking. Winnebago Touring Coach Travato, available here at Lichtsinn RV.